Okay, so let's take a look at inputs and variables. So I've made a small simulator here. What this is it's a basic 007 Bond simulator. And what's going to happen is the villain is going to say, tell me your name, and you're going to tell his name. So I'll just get rid of this for the moment. But let's just have a look at running the code. So running the code, it says, tell me your name. I'm going to say my name is Steve. And then the program ends. So I want to get it to say back to me, hey, you know, tell me your name. And he says, prepare to die, Steve. So what we're going to have is I just have pointless ASCII art here. How did I get those blank spaces? I use this backslash n, backslash n, backslash n. So just to show that, just to get rid of it. If you run it, it'll put everything a bit tighter. Totally up to yourself, but just nice for when you're writing out code. So print Bond, that's printing this big guy here. And now I've printed Welcome to the James Bond Simulator, and I added a bit of flair by changing the text. Okay, did that in a previous video. Name, input. So what we have here is the actual part of the code I care about, which is looking at using inputs. So I'm creating a variable. I've called a variable name. Okay, and the input, I'm saying to the computer, the user needs to input something. So this is going to come up as the text on the screen telling the user what to do. Tell me your name. Okay, and then the user can type. So I'll just show this again. If I run it, run, tell me your name. I'm going to say Bob this time, and nothing happens, right? The program ends. So what I want to do now is I want to make another line where I basically tell it to print what was just told. So I'm going to say print, your name is, and then I want to say what the name is that the user put in. So what I do here is I go plus name. And notice little text there. Notice here that your name is plus name. I'll zoom in a bit just so you can see it a bit better. I have this is just going to come up as text because it's in the quotations, but the plus name is going to come up after. So let's see that in action. So run our program one more time. So tell me your name. Sarah is my name. So your name is Sarah. Okay. What we've done is we created a variable called name and we told it to say it. Let's say we asked it another question, or let's say you said, tell me your name, and we go age input, and he goes, tell me your age. So what we want to do is we're going to just run that and see what happens. So tell me your name. It's going to be Tom. Tell me your age, 16. Your name is Tom. But I also want him to say, and you're 16 years old. Suddenly, this villain has got very interested in the life of this person. But let's just have a look. Your name is add name, grand, plus, and we might want to say more text. Your name is Tom, and you've turned, and then you want to say how old they've turned. So plus age, and I'm going to add it a little bit more. Congratulations! Congratulations! I can't spell in capitals. There we go. Let's see how this works out. So zoom back out a little bit and let's run it. Tell me your name, Graham. Tell me your age, 67. Hi, your name is Graham Mand and you've turned 67. Congratulations. Now, just taking a look, you'll notice the 67's congratulations is all bunched up. Okay. If you want to fix that, then just after where you put in the quotation, just put a space. Okay. And it'll add a space in there. Or you could put in you could put an exclamation if you wanted to say after your age and then a space. So let's just have a look. What's your name? It's Tim. Tell me your age. 17,908. Your name is Tim and you've turned 798. Congratulations. And again, you might see like Tim and here. So you could go in and put a space there to fix things up and then run it. But that's the basics of how to do an input. You can input a string, which is what we're doing there. You can also input numbers, but I'll do that in the next video.